Okay, I'm just wiping this over. There's little bits of dust and I just want a clean surface to prime. Oh, I should show the cardboard that I'm priming. So this is just cereal packets, nothing fancy. Just cut them up because I wanted something else to paint on and I didn't want to spend whatever money on canvas paper, so I'm just going to prime, yeah, normal cereal packet, cut it up, and I hole punched it because I'm going to put it in a lever arch file afterwards. And I'm just using ceiling paint to prime it, and I'm just going to start in the middle and just work my way out. It's a hot day today, so which means it will dry quickly. I'll just go roughly. The ideal is thin and lots of layers, but this looks quite thick. I could water it down, but I'm only using this for kind of scrappy experimentation, so I don't care too much. I'll just see how it goes. So once I've done it from the inside outwards, I'm just going to gently brush vertically, and then when I put another coat on, I'll do it the other way. Okay, cardboard number 2. Just start in the center and then work my way out. And I used a staple gun to stick these down. I think it's actually cheaper than masking tape. You use so much if you masking tape all the corners, you end up using heaps. So I thought staple gun might be cheaper again. And just doing it roughly, and then I'm going to do the other one. And well, in this heat it's not going to take long to dry. I normally find if I'm doing quite a few, by the time I finish the last one, these ones are dry enough and I can just go over them straight away, but depends what the weather's like. It's a nice breeze, thank goodness, because it is hot. Okay, so that's kind of even-ish. So now I'm going to do a second layer, and I'm going to start in the middle again and work my way out. Oh, I missed that bit, whoops. I missed quite a few bits. And I'm just getting all those little bits I missed. Now I went vertical last time, so this time I'm going to go, what's the other word for vertical? Horizontal? I think I'm just tempted to go vertical because of the length of the cardboard, the shape of the cardboard. Oh, that's getting thick. It's drying so fast. Anyway, I think that's all right for that one. I'm going to go for the next one. I think next time I'll be tempted to water this down because it's really quite thick. And you know what, next time I'd put more staples in. But because I'm using this as experimental, scrappy kind of stuff, I'm not too worried. It'll do its job. And yeah, I've done quite a few bits of artwork on primed cardboard. Yeah, it's really thick. I keep talking about watering it down, but I'm not doing it. And the last one. I'm getting there. I find when it's this hot, you've got to work super fast. And if you're doing something big, I think if it was bigger, I would definitely water it down because it would just get that kind of sticky, thick. But because this is only a small little thing, it doesn't matter so much. So you kind of just want to go light over the top, and that just gives it a more even surface. Oh, I can see the bit I missed there. And any bits of dust or hair from the brush that get in just gives it a little bit more texture and interest. sort of experimental, but yeah, that's good. I'm only going to do 2 layers because this is just for my scrappy sketches, but if I wanted to prime it properly for something a bit more serious, I'd probably do 3 or 4. And once I've done my beautiful paintings, I like to put them in a lever arch file, which is super handy because then, you know, half the time you want to produce heaps of work and you've got nowhere to put it. So I, yeah, pop it all in here. That's why I hole punch this before I prime it, and it just keeps it in a good spot.